Hi everyone, and welcome to the second video of our series. My name is Consolo, and I am a member of Strategic Pay's Wellington team. Clarifying internal relativities with you is an important first step. It allows us to determine the value of a job compared to other jobs in your organization. Internal differentials between jobs are based on the input requirements and the use of different levels of knowledge and skills. Differentials can also include the added value this role creates for your organization. External relativities are based on determining the value of the job according to the market rate, which is what my colleague Catherine will touch on in our next video. Our aim at Strategic Pay is to help you achieve a balance between the internal and external relativities to ensure equity and a competitive position in the market. We achieve this balance through a process of job evaluation, which is underpinned by our SB10 methodology. As you can see on the screen, we enter all the jobs in your organization into the spreadsheet to evaluate them against all 10 factors. I won't go into detail regarding the use of SB10, however, I will give you an example of how one factor, in this case problem solving, can clarify internal relativities between a logistics manager and an office manager. A logistics manager would be a D76 because the problems in this role are often varied, and the solution requires research, analysis, and perhaps investigation. In many instances, a solution may not be clear, and the judgments would need to be made about alternative solutions. An office manager would sit in the C box and at level 50, because the problems faced by this role are more routine and require less research into a solution. The background knowledge and experience of this job holder plays a key part in the successful resolution of problems. This is purely one example and may differ from organization to organization. We usually ask for job descriptions and organizational charts to ensure we are accurately evaluating each role. However, we also find communicating with clients regularly throughout the process ensures that we are reflecting internal relativities. I would just like to emphasize the fact that no matter the size of your organization, it is very important to do this first step correctly. Once this foundation is established, we can then focus on external relativities. Once we complete all 10 factors, we will have a point, grade, and band outcome. These points and grades will reflect internal relativities, with managerial roles, for example, scoring higher than general staff roles. These are, of course, approved by the chief executive or the respective person in your organization before proceeding to the next step. Thank you for taking time to watch this video. Please stay tuned for our next video.